Hi everyone, we are presenting our water quality mini project. Our group members consist of 5 students. The first one is Amalia Zafira binti Jasmi, Atira Zulaika binti Khairul Rijal, Azrin Nadira binti Muhammad Ludin, Fadrin Syuhada binti Baharin and Farah Izzati binti Muhammad Fauzi. The location of the water sample collection is at Taman Tasik Section 7 Shah Alam. There are 3 parameters that we will measure in this project. The first one is the turbidity, the second one is the pH, and the third one is the chemical oxygen demand, which is COD.
First of all, we need to conduct pre-treatment test before we purify our water sample. Turbidity test is the first pre-treatment test we conducted, and the result we obtained 14.4 NTU. Next is pH test, and the result we obtained is 7.43. So the water sample we obtained before purify can be classified as neutral. Chemical oxygen demand is the last pre-treatment test. For this test, we selected for low range, and the result we obtained is 65 mg per liter.
For water purification system, there are 2 tests that we conduct. First, jar test, second, filtration. For jar test, first, pour water sample to all 6 beakers. Second, label all the beakers and add ferric chloride as coagulant. Third, rapid mixing at velocity of 140 rpm for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, for slow mixing, the speed was 70 rpm for 5 minutes. And 5, let it settle for 50 minutes.
Lastly, we need to conduct the turbidity test again to find the optimum dosage of coagulant from the graph. Next, the graph shown is a turbidity against dosage of coagulant graph. From the graph, we can determine the optimum dosage of coagulant where we use ferric chloride, which is 0.5 milliliter.
For filtration, firstly we wash all the filtration material. Next, we layer all the filtration material, start with the cotton pads, then we layer it with fine sand, activated charcoal, small rock and big rock in the right order. Lastly, when the filter is ready, we pour the water sample into the filter until we got the filtered water.
Post-treatment test is a retesting after treatment to detect and analyze the parameter of water. The procedure in a pre-treatment test is repeated to check the value of turbidity, pH and COD using filtered water. The data of water sample of pre-treatment test and post-treatment test were compared. First, the result for turbidity test is 13.7 NTU. Second, the result for pH test is 6.98. Lastly, the result for chemical oxygen demand, COD, is 14 mg per liter.